Hello everyone, welcome to the L bracket series. In this series of videos I'm going to show you guys how to make this L bracket shape here, fairly simple shape, using this drawing that you've been given and some of SolidWorks' most basic features. Using all of these dimensions combined with the SolidWorks features, we will be able to produce this part. So let's get started. First of all, I'll go up here and I'll click New. Under 1030 SolidWorks Templates, click Part and OK. Now, up here in the Features toolbar, I'm going to click Extrude Boss Base. This way we can get a simple shape. It's going to ask me to select a plane. We'll select the right plane for now. It doesn't totally matter. And it's going to open up a sketch for us immediately. Now we're going to start sketching. One thing I want to mention is origin placement. For this particular part, later on in the part anyway, there are going to be points where we want planes to be in certain positions on the part, specifically for this one in the middle. So our origin placement matters. You'll see this more clearly in later videos. And just in case you didn't know, the origin is the place where the top, front, and right plane all meet. Anyway, let's get to sketching. So with my little pencil here, I'll click on the origin and drag this line over about 150 units. Then I'll drag it up another 50, back over, back up, over, and you can see this line here, that's this dotted blue line that goes back down to the origin. This line is called inference. This lets me know that the line I have drawn is directly in line with the bottom of my sketch. So I'll click there and I'll drag back down, and that closes my sketch completely. Now we need to dimension this. As you can see, there are blue lines here. These blue lines indicate that the sketch has not been fully defined. So we'll click on Smart Dimension. Go here. We know that this has to be 200 units. Here we go, 200 units. This here has to be 150 units. This here is 50. This here is 30. Now, as you can see, our sketch is now fully defined. If we wanted to, we could try to define this, but as you can see, it's going to ask us for a driving dimension. We're not going to talk about this yet. We could do it if we wanted to, but right now it's unnecessary. So now I'm going to click Exit Sketch since it's fully defined, and this little preview is going to open up. As you can see, there's already a small preview of what the object will look like. That's an extrusion distance of 10 millimeters. We want ours to be 140 millimeters. And as you can see, our preview is much larger now. Now, we want that origin right there to be somewhere around here in the middle of the object. So what we're going to do is make what's called a mid-plane extrusion. What you see now is a blind extrusion. We're going to make it mid-plane. As you can now see, the origin is in the middle. So I'll click the green check mark, and there we go. We have a solid object made. One tool I want to show you guys before we leave is the Measure tool. Under the Evaluate toolbar, we go up and we click this tab here, Measure. We can measure any side just to confirm its length. Say I want to know the distance between that edge and this top edge here. I just click on both of them. It gives me the distance between them, gives me the z and y components of that distance, and if it were the case, it would also give me the x distance. So that's Measure. Convenient tool, instead of having to go back to edit your sketch to see what your dimensions are. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.